Hey, Coach Greg here with Sculpted Training, and if you are looking to tighten and toning your arms, then I have an arms and shoulders workout for you. This is gonna be fun. We are gonna be using some dumbbells. All I can find are these pink ones, but color doesn't matter because we are gonna be getting our sweat on, burning some fat, and having fun, so let's get to it. Alrighty, so we're gonna be doing 3 sets. First set, I'll be more explaining and demonstrating these arm and shoulder workouts for you, and then we are gonna do 2 more sets, complete run-throughs of all of them. So without further ado, we got our first exercise. We're gonna start off with the classic shoulder press. We're gonna be doing 30 seconds each exercise, and here we go. 30 seconds on the clock, feet shoulder width apart, arms up, and we're just focusing on pressing the weight over our head. Preferably, you'd like it to be a 90-degree angle. You'd want it out to the side, but if you have any shoulder pain, then focus first here, straight up, and then find the right angle that works best for you. Boom, just like that. You don't have to be going as fast as I am. And if you don't want weights, you can still go here. I have a slight bend in my knees. Just pressing overhead. You're gonna feel it all up here, maybe your upper back. 3, 2, 1 more, and done. Great job. Shake out your arms. Next, we are gonna get to our biceps. We have some alternating bicep curls. We got 30 seconds on the clock, and let's get it. I like to have, again, a slight bend in my knees, arms out in front. We're just focusing on one arm at a time. Focus on bringing the weight up. Hinge only from your elbow. Don't pull from your shoulders because then you're not working out your biceps, but you should want the weight to be lifted, like hinging from here. I can't speak, but you get what I'm saying. Just like that. If you want your muscles to grow, resistance is one of the best ways to do it. Whether it's a band, weights like these dumbbells, even body weight works. 3, 2, 1, done. Great job. Moving along, we got the front raise. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Arms out in front. We're gonna have palms down, and all we're doing is bringing the weight out in front of us. You want your core tight. Arms stretched out in front of you as far as you can. Let gravity do the work. Fight against it. Boom, you're gonna feel it all up your shoulders, your triceps, your biceps, forearms, everything. I love this type of exercise. It works with your full upper body, even your back, to be honest. There it is. You can do 1 at a time. If the weight's too heavy, no worries. You can just be here and just fight. Use isometric squeezes on the way down. And done. Great job. Last, we have a bent over row. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So I'm hinging from my hips, back is flat. The weight is out down in front of me. All we're doing is hinging from our elbow. Boom. Pulling it back. Pretend you have like a pencil or a walnut stuck between your shoulder blades and you're trying to crack it. Boom. I feel like that one cracked. Just like this. You can do 1 at a time if you want. You can do them together. Just be very methodical. Want your back flat, suck your belly button to your spine. Strong, stable base. Everything starts from the feet up. Even though you're working out your arms and your back, your whole body should be assisting. 3, 2, 1, and down. Great job. You finished that workout, or I should say that set rather, like a champ, but now we have 2 more to do, so I'm gonna stop talking. Music's going up. Let's have some fun, baby. Here we go. Shoulder presses, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Alternating bicep curls, 3, 2, 1, go. Front raises, 3, 2, 1, go. Bend over rows, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done. One more to go. Grab water if you need to. If your arms are tired, feel free to drop the weights and do all body weight, or if you have been doing body weight this whole time and want to step it up, then grab some weights. You got this. I believe in you. You know what you're doing. Come on, we can do this. 4 exercises. We got this.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Alternating bicep curls, 3, 2, 1, go. Front raises, 3, 2, 1, go. Bend over rows, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That was your arms and shoulders workout. Hopefully you loved it as much as I did. We'd love to hear from you. Leave comments. Let us know what type of workouts that you'd like to see more of or less of. Maybe you want these videos longer. Maybe you want them shorter. Maybe you want less talking. Maybe you want more talking. Either way, we just want to hear from you guys. We want to make sure we're creating videos that you actually want to see and use. So please let us know. Help a brother out. But again, we have plenty of videos out. We got nutrition, we got fitness, we got it all from Coach Mary, Coach Gabby, and Coach Greg. That is me. Don't forget it. But I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.